Welcome back, friend. Today we'll see the numericals which are regarding to electrostatic, chapter 11 science physics. So here we are having a problem. You have seen here, charge on an electron is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Here C is what? It is a use for the indicating the charge. How many electrons are required to accumulate a charge of 1 electron? So before starting the solution, first of all see what the values are given here. So these are 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19, that is equal 1 coulomb. That is equal 1 coulomb. So it's like 1 coulomb is equals to what? 1 upon the value that already given in the problem, that is what? 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. So now here, before starting, you must know the several rule of division. If you know very well, then no problem, we'll go through directly. Suppose here the solution like 1 upon 1.6, the 10 raised to minus 19 we write here in a multiplication. Okay, but whenever you remember, whenever the number or element is moved from denominator to numerator or from division to multiplication, then the sign of power will be changed. So here 10 raised to minus, it will become plus 10 raised to minus 19. Okay, now solve it. That is what? 1 upon 1.6. So it's very simple. If you want to remove the fraction, the decimal number, point or fraction number here, then it's reduced. Suppose here, if you move this point from the right hand side of 6, then here the 1 0 is add over here. So suppose here we remove the point or the decimal number, so that is 10.16. okay, now here again the 10 divided by 16, it's not possible, so just give the point in answer, then this value becomes what? 100. Now it's possible, so 16 6 is what? 96. So 16 6 96. Now we are having 4 here, so we are already giving the point here, so there is no need to again give the point, so it becomes 40. Then 6 2 32. Now we are having 8 as a remainder after that here. So first of all, let's clear. 16 6 96. So 100 minus 96, that is what? 4. After that, if we are already taken here point, then it considered as 40. Then 16 2 32, that is here. Now the remainder is what? 8. Again 0 will come. Now 16 5 it's completely get total answer, and our remainder is what? 0. So our answer is what? 0.625. So that is what? 0.625 into what? 10 raised to 19. Okay. If I want to move this point again right hand side, then what? The power of 10 will be reduced with 1. Now it means what? 6.25 into what? Yes, that is 10 raised to 10 raised to 8. Okay. There is no minus sign. Why? Because of this 10 raised to minus already moved from division to multiplication. So that's why the sign of 19 will be changed. Here is negative, and after that moving division to multiplication, means denominator to numerator, it becomes positive 19. Okay. So here again we move the fraction point one place. That's why the value of the value of the 10 raised to 19, it will reduce with 1, that is what? 10 raised to 18. Okay, now this is value what we required here, that is what? The charge on electron is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. How many electrons are required to accumulate a charge of 1 coulomb. So the required answer is what? This one. Okay, so before going to the next, you will try to observe or see this answer is correct. Okay, we are going through very easy and simplest way. That is what we already have. Okay, so the answer is already calculated by here. And that is what? 6.25 into 10 raised to 18 electrons. 18 electrons. Okay, तो दोस्तों ये अभी हमने जो ये कैलकुलेशन देखा है, इसको अगर फिर से हम देखते हैं तो यहाँ पर कुछ नहीं है, जो दी हुई चीजें है 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 is equals to what? 1 coulomb. अब इसी को सॉल्व करते हुए 1 coulomb is equals to what? 1 upon 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. अब ये 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 1.6 पॉसिबल नहीं था, तो इसका फ्रैक्शन पॉइंट निकालने की वजह से, इसका जो दशमलव है उसे निकालने की वजह से होता क्या है, ऊपर आपको 0 ऐड करना होता है. ओके, तो 1.6 का 16 किया तो वो हो गया 10. ओके, ये वैल्यू बन गई 10. नाउ ये 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 16 फिर भी पॉसिबल नहीं है. 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 16 फिर भी पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो फिर हमें क्या करना है, पॉइंट देना है आंसर में. ये हो जाएगा 100. अब 16 को 16 6 अगर उससे 16 को 6 बार अगर गुना जाए तो हमें मिल जाएगा 96 यानी कि 96. फिर हमारी जो रिमाइंडर बचता है वो 4 इज कंसीडर्ड एज 40. अगर हम 16 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो 32. देन अगेन वी विल हैव द रिमाइंडर इज 8. then it's considered as 80. then 16 5 जा, ये completely division हो जाएगा, रिमाइंडर 0 बचेगा. आंसर आया हमारा 0.625 into what? The answer is that is what? 10 raised to 890. now अब इस 0.625 को अगर मैं 6.25 करना चाहूँ तो यहाँ पे जो 10 का पावर है वो हमें 1 से घटाना होगा, क्योंकि इस वैल्यू को अगर हम बढ़ा रहे हैं तो इस साइड के वैल्यू को कम करना होगा, तब ही जाके इसका वैल्यू जो है एक्चुअल वैल्यू वो सही रहेगा और दिखने में पढ़ने में थोड़ी आसानी हो जाएगी. ओके, तो हमें 6.25 into 10 raised to 18 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लगेंगे. किस लिए? ये चार्ज अक्यूमुलेट करने के लिए. ओके, ये था सिंपल सा कैलकुलेशन. ओके, सो अब हम देखेंगे और एक नया इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक से रिलेटेड ही, जो कि बहुत ही आसान तरीके से हम इसे देखेंगे.